Hello mga ka-pageant masters, this is your Maestrong Gala PH, bringing you the hottest and the latest update about beauty pageant. If bago lang kayo sa channel ko mga ka-pageant masters, please don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe my channel. And of course, click the notifications bell for more video updates. Enjoy the video mga ka-pageant masters.
You've got lots of supporters on that side. What would you like to tell them?
Thank you everybody for coming over to Taiwan to support me and celebrate this journey with me. I'll see you all later.
Okay, yes, please. Pick your custom and I'll wait it for you.
非常的用随机挑选的方式来决定每一位嘉宾所拿到的继续问答的题目究竟是什么。
Miss Philippines, here's your question. What does it mean to be a strong, independent woman? Again, what does it mean to be a strong, independent woman?
那接下来我们就把时间交给刘理事长。
Good afternoon. There are many definitions of strength, maybe, but I believe that the most fitting definition of a strong, independent woman is somebody who knows her purpose and somebody who knows their core. Because when somebody knows what they're meant to do and what they want to do for the rest of their life, they'll be able to force through it beautifully, as long as they pursue the dreams and make sure that they leave an impact on their communities as well. Thank you.
Miss Face of Beauty International 2024 is Miss Philippines!
There you go mga ka-pageant masters. I hope nagustuhan niyo yung video ko today. Once again, this is your Maestrong Gala PH. Have a great day.